Good morning, people. Today is my day off, so let's clean our Philips air purifier, guys. So it's been like 1 year now, and then I think this machine needs cleaning. So let's have a look why it needs cleaning, because it says there on the screen there that it's got FO in it. So let's have a look and then let's clean it so we can use it again. So guys, first let's turn it on first. So this is the one. So if you haven't seen this video on the review or unboxing on this, you can check it out here. So let's turn it on first. It's saying FO, and I don't know what that means, but I think it needs cleaning. So we will turn it off. See, it just says FO, UFO, whatever that means. What's FO means?
You should know.
So we turned it off, and then we will unplug here. Can you see me?
No.
So we have to take this off, which is take this off, and then filter off. The carbon filter, it needs to be replaced every 12 months, but we haven't used this much, so I think this is still alright. Yeah, this is still alright, guys.
Yes.
And this is the air filter.
Yes.
So many filters here. This one doesn't need to be vacuumized. So it's all still clean. Still clean, it just needs cleaning. Oh, that's so cool. So let's clean this with tap water. So we just wash this in the running water, guys. So that's how you clean it.
Brush it.
And there's a brush. How cool is that at the bottom? For pressure at least. Warm water or not? Just normal. You gotta put it outside to dry. Let it wake up. Outside or just... Now it's completely dry. We will put it back. So that stays there. This goes back. There. back.
Top. That's magnets.
Yep, that's it. And then now we're gonna clean the side filter post. So this is the air sensor. So we'll open this, and we're using this. As you can see, it is. It's not as dirty as I thought. Just poke it there and clean inside. Dandy. And that's done. Cleaning our Philips air purifier. So we'll see. So it's working good. FO's gone. Perfect. Working again.